you for all the heart puffs, babe. I'm glad you're able to catch my live. One. Thanks.